YouTube, let's talk about this Metronomy song called Things Will Be Fine. Alright, that's like the intro, and I'm just kind of playing arpeggios of F. I'm hitting the G and D strings. G. Could do it in the open position. You could play the F major 7. I'm playing here at the 3rd fret. You can play it in the open position. F major 7, or you could just play a regular F. And then they're using like a very kind of mellow guitar sound. Probably he's got a chorus effect on there. It's like a jazz guitar kind of sound. But F, C, G, and then there's one part of the song where they go F, C, G, and then they're I'ma change the world. E minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, and then they go F, C, G. Okay, it's a cool song though. I like it. Thanks. Bye.